While the EV market expands, the US is witnessing a slower EV adoption rate than was expected.
Electric mobility challenges and the future prospects for mass EV adoption are uncertain. Despite decreasing prices and tax incentives, EVs still present a financial challenge for most Americans.
The median family income in the United States hovers around $70,000 a year.
This Lucid Air Pure starts at $74,900 after a $7,500 federal tax credit. This is one of the best cars I have driven this year, but it's out of reach for many Americans.
A new survey from Auto Pacific sheds new light on why Americans are rejecting electric cars.
It comes down to 5 factors: the cost of new EVs, range on a single charge, charging infrastructure, safety, and environmental concerns, with 26% of Americans believing EVs are worse for the environment than gasoline or diesel vehicles.
47% of Americans would consider an EV if it was priced under $35,000.
This price gap, exacerbated by high interest rates, makes EVs a tough sell for the average consumer.
Charging an EV is another major hurdle for many. Installing a home charger is just the start of their problems.
With a third of potential buyers needing access to home charging and public stations being scarce, the convenience of gas stations remains unmatched.
The lengthy charging time for EVs compared to the quick gas refill adds to the practicality gap that EVs are just not able to bridge.
Interestingly, EVs are not replacing gas vehicles, but supplementing them.
This reflects the limitations in the EV market, especially those needing larger vehicles. This Audi Q8 e-tron is the perfect size for most Americans.
With 40% of the market providing sustainable EV alternatives, a complete transition to electric remains a distant reality for many.
The Biden administration's commitment to expanding the charging network and manufacturers diversifying the EV offerings is pivotal to steps forward to grow EVs in the United States.
With the variety of new models on the horizon and efforts to improve charging infrastructure, EV adoption is expected to rise significantly in the future.
With increasing consumer interest and initiatives addressing key challenges, the EV revolution is steadily gaining ground.
The path to widespread EV adoption is complex but progressing.
I'm Nik Miles.